Hello and welcome, my friend. As every weekend in the beginning, we start analyzing for you the forex market or the currency pairs, and our partner is going to enter in them. So, by the way, if it's the first time of you here and you don't know what is that channel about, this channel is about analyzing for you the forex market, the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, and stock market. And by the way, we put every weekend a video about forex pairs, a monthly video about Bitcoin, and a monthly video about stock market. So make sure to subscribe and hit that like button down and leave a nice comment to support us for putting more videos like that. And if you are a beginner and you don't know nothing about trading, down below you're going to find 90% coupon link to one of my best courses. So the course you're going to pay only $15. I think is a very good deal for you. So my friend, let's dive into the lesson of today. So the first pair we got, it's Euro USD, and as you see, the one last week we said is going to retrace here, and then from here intersell, and that's what happened. Then in Friday it came that retracement again. So there is two scenarios here. The first one to enter from 1.18642 short, or to wait it to touch 1.19198. The first target is at here at 1.17923, second one at 1.17367. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. The RSI, as you see, we are in a downtrend here. The RSI touch here the oversold area. So our forecasting to it or prediction to it will go back and touch the trend line. Then from here it will go back to the oversold area. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, it's the cable or British Pound USD. And even that one, that what we said last week, we said is going to retrace from here, and from here enter. And that's what happened. Then it touched here the target of us. Then on Friday it went like that. So our view to it is going to go back up here to touch that zone here. Maybe it's going to go down or went up till where it starts from. Then it will go down. Because here, that yellow one is a trend line, is a long trend line. It's getting broke here. So the price, it will go and touch it again. It needs to be like that. Low, high, another low in the previous one. That it's a downtrend, the trend change. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So it might you enter from 1.38887 or 1.139,910. First target ticket at 1.137,760. Second one at 1.136,737. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. As you see here in the RSI, here we got a divergence. And here, so the price it will go up here till the overbought area. Then you from here enter. The target is it down at the oversold area. I think everything is very clear. Let me show you why. because here in the daily we got a downtrend, and as you see here in the chart that the trend line I've been talking about, it's been for long. Let's go back here to the RSI. We got here a downtrend. The RSI here, it touched the oversold area, so it needs to go back up and touch that trend line, and from there you enter short to the oversold area, or your target is going to be the oversold area. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, it's the Aussie or Australian dollar USD. And that one, as we said, it is going to fall down from here, if you remember. And that's what happened. Then in Friday, look what it did. So our view to it will go up again and touch one of the two zones, maybe 0.75844 or 0.76437, and that red one, that the maximum where it can go up is it at 0.76963. Target, you can take it here at 0.75048, or down here at 0.74219. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. The RSI, as you see here, we got a divergence. And here it is, that it's a divergence. So the price, it will go up again, like that. And that's what happened. So our view to it will intertail here to the overbought area. Then from there, it will go down. So you enter from the overbought area, and the target of you to be at the oversold area. And I will tell you why that divergence is not powerful. Because in the daily, we are in a downtrend, or a divergence, or name it whatever you want. The price here is enter at the oversold area, or the RSI enter at the oversold area. It gives us a small divergence here, but that one is not stronger. So our view, it will go up and touch here the trend line. Then from there it will go down like that. That's it, my friend, for that pair. The other pair we got is USD CAD, and that one, as we said it, from here, from that zone exactly, enter buy until here, and that's what happened all the week. And by the way, my students, they make a lot of money just following my signals. I give them in my Facebook group. So if you want to join my student, I will leave in the description a link to my Facebook group so you can join us. So as you see from here in Friday, the price, it went down, and our view to it will touch that line here at 1.22968. Then it will go up. The first target, you can take it at 1.24350. Second one at 1.25782. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me show you the RSI. In the RSI, as you see, we got a divergence here. It's not a divergence, it's a downtrend. And the RSI here is going to the oversold area. So our view, you wait it at the oversold area, then from there you enter buy. The target of you to be at the trend line or at the overbought area. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, or commodity we got, is the gold. And that one, as we said it last week, is going to go and touch the trend line or one of two, then enter buying it, and that's what happened. So now our view to it from here 12 retraced at 1780.62 or at 1766.31. Then you can take the target here at 1795.58 or here at 1809.89 or at 1824.85 and the last one at 1874.15. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me show you the RSI now. As you see here in the RSI, we got that it used to be a downtrend. Now is getting broke. So our view, the RSI will touch here the overbought area. Then from there it will go down and touch the trend line or the 50 line here. If you using the 50, then from there it will go up to the overbought area. The other pair we got, my friend, is New Zealand USD or Kiwi, and that one, as we said it last week, is going to be falling down, and that's what happened here. Set from here, from that zone, enter short, and that's what happened. Then in Friday it makes that retracement like that. So our view, it will touch maybe that zone at 0.70663 or at 0.71279. Then from there you enter short. First target is it at 0.69640 or at 0.68656. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. In the RSI, we got here a downtrend. It went down a touch here, the oversold area, then it go up. So our view to it, it will touch one of two, the trend line or the overbought area. Then you from there enter short, the target of you to be at the oversold area. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So the other pair we got, my friend, is a USD CAD, and that one, as we said it last week, no, USD Swiss franc, sorry, and that one I don't analyze it for you last week. 2 week previous, we said it's going to go up, and that's what happened. Then in Friday touch here that zone, then it fall down again. That way me I put for you small target like that. For don't be any profit, then it went back at you. So our view to it will touch one of the two zones. The first zone at 0.91827 or the second zone 0.91464. Then from there it will go up at 0.92773. That just weekly target or swing trading, not a long term, just a small like weekly. Me make like that for people who got small accounts. So let me analyze for you the RSI, my friend. As you see here in the RSI, we got a divergence. Here it is. So the price it fall down, and our view to it will go down and touch the oversold area, and then from there it will go up again. And let me tell you why. Because in the daily, let me make it like that. for the picture to be more clear. Because in the daily we got here a strong divergence. And here the RSI touch the overbought area. So here it will go down and touch the trend line or the oversold area. Then from there it will go up again. So even you do the same things, wait it till it touch it, then from there go up, my friend. I think that's it, my friend. That everything. And by the way, if you want to use the broker me I'm using, down there is a link to my favorite brokers. So my friend, that's it for this week. See you in the middle of this week when I put for you the best stocks we enter in them us or the analysis for the stock market. So see you in the middle of the week. And by the way, if you like the content, please share it with your friends to get more because we don't get any likes or comments. So see you in the next week, my friend. Bye for now.